Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in our previous video, my power bank got damaged due to EMP gun, and I used this power bank in many of my projects. So I am thinking to make another power bank, but this time by 3D printing. So let's make it. So I chose this design from Thingiverse. It provides dual USB power bank module system and supports 6 18650 batteries. And this design is perfect for my requirements. Then I made the 3D printing of these parts and it took me around 20 hours. I am using this dual USB module which has in display. As I have the battery pack, so I am using that only. Make sure you do parallel connection. The battery pack voltage is 3.7 only. So this is the 3D printing enclosure. This is the top part. This is the middle section. And this is the bottom part. Install the power bank module like this. Now installing the battery pack in the enclosure. As you can see, it fits in the enclosure perfectly. Add some glue to attach the bottom part. So this part is done. Now solder the negative part of battery with the negative side of power bank module, and same for the positive side. You need this kind of screw for making the switch. And you can see it turns on successfully. Now it's time to fix the top part. Now whole structure is done. Now I'm gonna test it with a smartphone. And as you can see, it is working perfectly, and it is showing the charge of power bank also. So how's the video guys? Comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Now it's time to charge the power bank. As you can see, it's charging now. So guys, stay tuned for future updates.